I hurt myself.
What do you do, hon? See the smile on her face? Whenever she got cash in her hand, she...
Good morning, Philippines!
Hey guys, good afternoon. Binalik ko lang yung damit ko kahapon. Ito yung talaga yung sinuot ko, pero binalik ko lang. But anyway, good afternoon. Maulan na panahon. It's already 3 o'clock ng hapon. And then, ngayon pa kami alis. So, ang inasikaso lang namin di whole day po is nag-ano kami ng mga papel para maipapasa na namin yung mga kailangan namin ipasa kasi guys, katapusan na ngayon guys, and then end of the week na, end of October na, pero hindi pa rin namin napasa. So, kailangan namin, minadali namin ngayong araw kasi itong asawa ko guys, always ganyan siya guys. Gusto niya talagang 1 minuto ipas niya yung mga kailangan gawin. So, we are
Family. I got all my brothers with me.
alis na kami. Ang ganda ng kahoy talaga guys. Tignan nyo naman lo. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Not leaves all over the ground. Looks sloppy.
Yeah, this is the thing. The ground is
Those
like,
leaves are way off.
yeah, the ground is very, how do you call that?
Leafy?
Leafy, and especially now it's raining guys. It's like sticky in there, everything stick. And
on our way to the bank, drop some checks into the bank. We're bored.
ilagay na namin yung among million.
Shit.
We're gonna put our million dollar century tuna. Century tuna.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Sana all milyonaryo. Sana all milyonaryo. I wish we're millionaire but we are not guys. Nag-ano lang guys, dream. In my dream.
Pretty much.
Ito na si Tami. Deposit na siya sa iyang milyon. Million. So, are you done depositing your $1 million? Or you take money out?
Yeah, I took out 1,000.
Why?
Why not?
Okay, so what's your point with taking out 1,000?
Put it in the safe.
Just 1,000, all that thing? All that million, just 1,000?
Sure.
And-
Those millions.
Okay, so why you decide not to do just 1,000 instead
Because
of
this is
zero?
not cleared yet. It's just, that's coming out against the money that's already in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's something on the side.
Yeah, so.
Takot ako guys, baka ano kami dito. Baka hold up kami. Baka maano kami dito ng ibang tao. Magpakita talaga siya ng pera niya. Milyonaryos, mister. Sana talaga no million, pero hindi man yun million guys, oy.
Okay.
Oh, hold on, let me get my bank because I'm gonna get my million too. My card. Because you think he's the only one. Why is kind of like that? You think he's the only one know how to take money out? I know. I know what so good luck to us. Take money out. All we want.
Go into the account because
Oh, what?
it goes into the savings,
What savings?
home savings.
Oh, okay. Okay, you stay here.
Okay, I'm staying here. She's gonna go play with the machine. She just likes to play with the machine.
I do.
That's what it is, guys. She likes that machine. It's nice and green. It's the green machine. Now, while she's not in the car, I light a cigarette because you know she'll be complaining in a minute. I light it. So I light it while she's out. There she is. Now she's done. See the smile on her face? Whenever she got cash in her hand, she's smiley. She smiles when she has cash.
You know, we have money in my funny. Okay, hold on. Don't not so close, Adi.
I'm not so close. That's how close it is. See, guys, cigarette. I told you. I light it when she's out because she come back, she'll be complaining.
Oh my God.
There it is.
This money is go to my husband. It's for him. Oh.
Put it in the envelope.
O, diba? May allowance pa si Mister. O, saan ka maghanap ng ganyan, o? Swerte mo, Tami, ha? O, diba, guys? Order na lang kami. Yung mga hindi marunong. Mga tapulan magluto kung sa Bisaya. Order na lang kami. So, order ako ng pahiras. More.
Gonna fry mozzarella sticks?
Nope. Okay guys, so mga order dito sa Amerika guys, kapag mag-order ka lang sa sasakyan, dito lang kami sa sasakyan, maghintay. Hintay lang kami dito. And then, ang gagawin, I don't smoke ha. Please. And then, i-text mo lang yung number dyan, oh, kung saan ka nakapark. Number 4 kami. So, chilies po yung in-orderan namin. And, andito yung window nila. So, makikita nila kami. Ang tagal ng ano nila. What do you think, honey? Probably that's one over there because that person is already ringing. Costa Rica ba?
Yeah.
And what if you really wanna go and then I don't really want to go with you?
Well, you don't have to go, but I thought.
No, I'm talking about living over there. If you wanna live over there.
I'm not going to live there.
So if you wanna live and then I don't go, so that means you're not gonna go?
No. I don't believe in this like live separately crap.
You don't wanna be separated.
No, that's ridiculous. I know that in the Philippines they do that because they have to for financial reasons, but
He loves me. You love me.
yes, we don't want to like be separate. That's like insane. Besides, I've known too many people here from the Philippines that live separate, and they have separate lives. They have a whole different life, and
That's a different story. But you know what? If
that's
you
not a
live,
different story. You're
Hey,
married
listen.
there, but
Okay, but
you're
listen.
with somebody here. That's
if you live over in Costa Rica and then you really wanna go and I don't wanna go, you know we're gonna end up like separated, like separate. You don't want that happen, right?
no.
No. So cute, they're here.
Oh.
Hold on.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
How are you doing
Good.
today?
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Oh, okay. Hello. What is it? Oh, the order is here.
That's it.
The order is here. Okay, look, hala, that's the soup. You have to put it in for tie it and then
Soup down here.
yeah, you tie it.
That's fine.
No, you have to tie it because it will go slide. What's on top?
What's on top is just the cheese and stuff.
You can try what I have,
I
and
think goes with this.
yeah, you can try what.
You want me to carry it because you're gonna drop it with the phone.
And Tommy got this chili soup that there's no name, nameless soup. Ito yung mga nameless soup ni Tommy, okay?
I'm gonna order burger. He said, "Oh,
Because tomorrow, that's my plan. Burger for you.
you did not finish. Finish eating if you want something."
Huh?
Tell Roxy, finish eating if you want something.
It's just very little left. I can
Okay.
follow this. Okay. Let's just wait. We put something in it. That looks delicious. With bacon in it. Ito yung sauce ng in-order ko. Order.
You have to wait.
Han guys, look. Ito yung tortilla. Ito yung guacamole. And I think they give me soup, Han.
No.
No, this is soup, oh.
No.
What is it?
It's for the thing.
No, it's a bean soup, look.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's probably just black beans to go in there.
Black beans. Oh, maybe. Anyway, guys. Tapos na kaming kumain. See you later. I hurt myself.
What do you do, hon?
And kumusta yung buhay? Ginoo ko. Alam nyo guys, naglalaba ako sobrang aga. Dito tayo sa basement. Kasi nga, pakainin natin si Mr. Sanil. Mga niluluto niya, no? Ang dami kasi niyang luto. A pancake. So ngayon, look. Ang daming sili, uy. Nag-ano pa rin siya. Kailangan ko siyang i-ano. Look, may bunga pa rin. Ang daming bunga. Grabe. Ay, nako. Mahilig man ako sa sili, pero hindi naman everyday. Grabe naman ito. So, ngayon, pancake for Mr. Look, ang dami sa freezer. Alam nyo, yung office ni Tami, may freezer. So, ang gagawin ko is, kunin ko yung laman kasi kunti lang yung laman. Ang electric namin, pataas ng pataas kasi itong asawa ko, ang daming nakasaksak talaga. So, ngayon, pataas ng pataas yung electric namin, guys. I-unplug ko yun and then, yun, ilagay ko sa basement or doon sa isang freezer namin. Natay, suga bagat ka. My baby. Uy, I love you. I get your pancake downstairs.
Hey, girl.
You called me
Hey,
a girl.
rice girl.
You
Morning, camera. Come on, good camera. Oh,
you going out?
I am.
I'm gonna make you egg and then the pancake, okay? Ngayong umaga cleaning. So, itong stove kasi sobrang ano na siya, ma-dummer-dummer na, of course. Kasi nga, hindi na natin nalilinis. Luto tayo dito ng luto, pero hindi natin nalilinis, o diba? Ito yung gamit ko, ang glass cooktop cleaner and polish. So, ito siya, brum, brum, brum. Laka, tingnan ninyo ito yan, Kasi nga, kailangang linisin. I-spread natin siya, guys. Yun. And then, pabayaan natin ng ilang minuto. And then, pagkatapos, maglinis ako sa ibabaw. Dito, kasi ang dust na. Oh, loka, nakikita ko na yung mga abog-abog. So, itong mga ganitong mga paglilinis, guys, hindi ito everyday or once a week. So, ano lang ito, kapag ito siya, hugasan ko to siya palagi. Pero paminsan talaga mag-stay yung, mag-darken ba yung sa, ano, ng ring ng ano dito, electric yung, ano, lulo. Linis tayo, linis. Tame! Don't let them OUT.
Hi, guys. Morning, mga kabayo. Whatever. Evening over there.
O, ito na, maglilinis na tayo guys sa ating stove. Kailangan talaga itong linisin. Kapag nakikita mong nag-start na siyang umitim, kailangan mo na siyang i-scrub. Kuskus balungos tayo dito para naman makuha yung mga itim-itim. Kapag electric stove kasi ganyan siya. Kakapagod kayo maglinis sa bahay, no? Lalo na kapag malaki. Yun yung pinakaano ko kay Tame. Bakit malaki yung bahay? Kami lang naman dalawa. Pero yun na yun. Ito na yung realidad ng buhay. Napagdesisyonan ko, linisin ko tong ilalim sa ating stove and dinakat ko yung nasugatan ako dito guys kasi sobrang clumsy ko. Paminsan lang din kasi ito dito malilinis at ang daming buhok so kailangan talaga siya din i-update. So yun, at ang ating microwave guys, may filter pala siya. Pwede siyang kunin dyan sa galing o sa ibabaw dyan. Kinukuha ko lang siya at nililinis ko. At ang aking stove naman na sobrang dumi yung door. Kailangan ko nang kuskusin din. Ang hirap nito linisin ha. Dumidikit na talaga yung dumi niya. Grabe. As in, so nag-transfer na naman ako guys. Doon na tayo sa ibabaw ng ating refrigerator. Si Mr. Kupanta, sumasayo na lang ako. Iwan ko, masaya din siya. May mga ginagawa din siya sa laptop guys. Importante lang guys. Pero kumakanta siya ng kumakanta ako din. Sumasayaw ng sumasayaw. Naluka na. Pero masaya ganito guys. Kaya yung good mood ang dalawang mag-asawa. Diba? Good mood ang dalawa. Diba? Sayo-sayo na lang ako. Buti na talaga hindi ako dyan nahulog. Kasi kapag nahulog ako talaga, tigok talaga itong paa ko. O diba? Ang hirap kaya maglinis dito na side kasi nga sticky na yung ano dumi. Hindi, mahirap na siyang kunin dahil nga malapit siya sa stove. Kaya yun, iprank muna natin si Tami. I hurt myself.
What do you do, hon?
I dropped myself. Ano raw?
What do you got in your hand?
This one, oh. I dropped.
What is that from?
Top over there. I'm cleaning up. Dry prank, guys! I prank my baby! Ang hirap mag-prank ni Tami. Nag-concentrate tuloy siya sa puti na hinawakan ko. Parang wala na siyang pakialam sa mga kung anong nangyari sa akin. Pero yun, so continue na lang tayo sa paglilinis kasi ang hirap guys kapag maglilinis dito and then palagi tayong mayroong mga prank-prank dyan. Hindi tayo matatapos nito. Ay, buhay asawa guys. Itong cabinet ko kailangan kong linisin kasi sobrang maalikabok na siya, dumidikit na talaga guys, ang hirap. Pag maglilinis ka, wag mo nang kalimutan din yung anyong refrigerator kasi ang dumi-dumi dun, palagi mo niyang hinawakan eh. At saka ito namang filter ko guys, ang hirap naman ito linisin. Alam mo, dumidikit. Oily na kasi pala siya. Ilang years na hindi nalinis. Yun, binalik ko na lang siya guys kasi nga kailangan nang ibalik. And then malinis naman. Okay naman sa tingin ko. Nagutom na ako kasi nga, palagi nang tayong linis ng linis. At saka alam nyo naman, nag-diet ako, diba? Nakita nyo naman, diet. Hindi yan diet guys. Mas lalo akong tataba niyan dahil sa bread. Anyway, bed na tayo. Hello guys. Tulog na tayo guys. Balik na naman tayo sa ating pangtulog na damit. Hello po! Anyway guys, so, yun, ano ako sa kakalinis ngayong araw. Hindi nga ako naligo eh. Hindi ko binasa yung buhok ko. Pero nag-half bath po tayo. Kasi nga, naglinis ako guys. Grabe yung paglilinis ko. Sa basement, sa pusa na area. And, yun, so nakita nyo naman guys. And, nasamad po ako guys na tawag na to, nakat ko yung finger ko. So, yun, kaya nilagyan ko ng bandage kasi nga, ito siya, yung pinky na, nakaganon-ganon palagi, so masakit siya. So, kaya yun. Anyway, yun lang naman yung araw ko ngayon, guys. Nasamad lang naman yung kamay ko. So, yun. Hindi ako nag-half bath ako kasi kailangan kong mag-half bath. Pero yung buhok ko guys, if you notice, hindi ko palagi siyang binabasa. Kasi nga, ay nako, tignan nyo naman yung ko. Sobrang dry na dry yung dito talaga na area. Kailangan kong i-trim dito. Hindi dito. Dito kasi gusto ko pataasin na yung buhok ko. And so yun, anyway guys, good night. Thank you so much guys for watching sa ating mga vlog. Bye, thank you. I will see you next time.